I have been looking into ways to increase the dowsing signal, and I discovered that the addition of quartz crystals really helps, and also the addition of magnetic energy. And in particular, in the northern hemisphere, it is the side of the magnet that seeks the North Pole. The energy coming off that side, especially if it then goes through the crystals, greatly enhances the tracking field. Even the magnets themselves will enhance the tracking field without the crystals. And this combination here of the north-seeking side going into the crystals, just that alone has healing powers to it. And I've been trying different devices that just incorporate that. But the one thing about the tracking fields is that you have to keep your body away from the sides of the magnets that seek the South Pole. If your hand gets into that, or it's touching your body, or the energy is going into your body, it will decrease the tracking field. So in order to incorporate this, what I did here was I took a pen apart and I took two segments of this, and this is just neodymium pin magnets. I took two of those, stuffed them in this area here. I put the spring back in, and I had taken the ink out. And then I put 3 crystals in here so I can actually have this in my pocket. And if I need to, I can just give it the command for gold or whatever. And off we go. And normally, if I'm sweeping stuff up, I'll have my broom, I'll have my dustpan and my bucket. So I can just hold the pen that has the magnet and the crystals in my hand and give it the gold command, and off we go there. But oftentimes, if I'm not looking for small things, if I'm looking for nuggets or rocks, I will simply go out with my trowel. So what I did with my trowel is I took the handle apart, took the cap off, and stuffed it full of quartz crystals. And then I drilled a hole in the back here and put in 2 neodymium magnets and had this one pointing out so that I can be sure to keep my hand away from it. Now, I want to show you a comparison here because this is phenomenal. Normally what I do is just put out my hand and I'll say gold. Now look what the signal is for gold. Okay, now let's get the pen. Gold. A little bit larger yet, a stronger signal. Gold. That is just cooking. That is just awesome. And it's interesting because it's the same amount of magnets, but it's a larger amount of crystals. And that's what's increasing that signal so strong. So now I've got to see what I can do for dowsing rods.